Hey friends, welcome back to another TED Talk. Today we're going to be talking about breathing and how it's the key to really singing well. So first of all, how do the lungs actually work? The simple answer is with muscles. So muscles on the inside of our body called the internal and external intercostals, and a lot of internals, help the ribs to contract and expand respectively. And so with these muscles, there are at least 4 different types of breathing that we can use to help our singing in different styles or different circumstances. And the first one is clavicular breathing. Ooh. So this is where we only use the top of our thorax to breathe, causing our shoulders to rise up and down quickly. And it looks like this. And so to sing, it would sound like this. I wanna go outside. Moving on to the second type of breathing, which is thoracic breathing. Ooh. This is when we use our chest to tank up, which causes our lungs to expand like this. It causes our diaphragm to drop like this, not very much, and our internal intercostals to expand like this, meaning we puff up our thorax as much as we can before sustaining a long phrase. So we would go like this, right? So instead of clavicular breathing, which is from the shoulders, you would go from the thorax, you would go, and so that would sound like this. I wanna go outside. And that brings us to the third way to breathe, which is abdominal breathing. Ooh. This is when we rely solely on the diaphragm to create space for the air to enter, which causes our bellies to release and our abs to contract. So instead of expanding your thorax, which is up here, you would expand your belly, which will go as, yeah, let's try this. You see? So you go, I wanna go outside. And the fourth and final way of breathing for this video is Apagio breathing. Ooh. This is what's described as the most stabilized version of breathing. It balances the thoracic and abdominal breathing together to create a happy medium between the two. So that's when you expand your entire middle body. So you go, I want to go outside. So for the sake of this video, we're going to be walking away using Apagio breathing, but you can use whatever works for you. Singing is about the art, not the rules. And so in addition to the different types of breathing, we want to make our posture as supportive for our breath as we can, so the internal muscles can work as they should. To do this, we must stand as confidently as we can. Stand up tall, lift our chest slightly, let our spine align itself, and stand with a slight bounce in the posture, nothing too stiff. For a visual, we can imagine a string coming out of the top of our head, just back here, where the spine would sit under the head. The string will gently pull our bodies into place, like so. Kind of like a marionette doll. Ooh, I know. Once you have the string in place, you can move your head a little bit to make sure that it's centered on your spine. Everything else is relaxed. We can use Apagio breathing. Breathe in. And then you sing. And it's that easy. It's so easy. Singing and breathing. So thank you so much for watching this TED Talk, and I will see you next time when we talk about some other tips for singing well. Okay, bye.